There are 4 questions to ask yourself to see if Big Easy is right for your organization. Number 1, do I provide a service or sell a product without the need to track large inventories? Example, marketing consultants, dog groomers, daycare? Yes. Number 2, do I write just a few checks a month and never need to print large batches of checks? Yes. Number 3, do I invoice just a few customers a month or use a billing program and/or merchant account to handle sales? Yes. Number 4, do I have a payroll service or plan to use a payroll service to handle employee wages and taxes? Yes. If you answered yes to all 4 questions, congratulations! You can choose Big Easy and really simplify your accounting. Big Easy is a cash-based, simplified double-entry system that uses spreadsheets and built-in formulas to provide checks and balances to give you clear, concise, accurate financial reports. Your accountant will be happy to see this. We've been providing accounting systems for many years and have brought bookkeeping down to its simplest form. Streamlined for efficiency, Big Easy systems are perfect for small businesses, nonprofits, groups, clubs, and personal use. Here are some examples of who uses this simple program. Thank you for watching.